Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix TPM 2.0 and secure both error on Valorant. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what we need to do here, we need to enter to our computer BIOS. So go on search, go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update, advanced options, then go to a recovery, and then advanced startup, and restart your PC, and you will be in the BIOS. So, and then I will show you what you need to do next.
Then on this window, you need to press on troubleshoot, then go to advanced options, and then you need to go to your firmware settings, and then press restart now again. And now you'll be in the BIOS. I'm using Gigabyte motherboard, so if you use something different, it can be a little bit different for you, but nevertheless, you should find everything. So first of all, make sure that you are on advanced mode. Then if you want to enable secure boot, what we need to do here, you need to go to boot, or in your case can be security. If on boot there is no secure boot option, but you need to make sure to CSM support is disabled, and then secure boot should appear. And then you just need to, as you can see here, click on it, and then here make sure it's enabled and secure boot mode is on standard. And then you can save the changes, save and exit, or simply you can check the TPM 2.0 as well. So as I said, for me there is no security settings, so I just need to go to settings, miscellaneous. Oh, I misclicked. Let's go again. Here miscellaneous, and then here should be trusted computing. And then here I can enable security device support, which is TPM 2.0. For you, it can be that basically trusted computing is under security, and then when you press trusted computing, security device support will be here. And after that, what you need to do here is to press save and exit here. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do here. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.